is he?
Hey mate.
Hey, so are you bringing around that Honda that we're gonna review?
Yeah, I'm definitely bringing that Honda around. Just give me a moment. I'm literally just around the corner. I'll be with you in a sec.
All right, because yeah, I'm waiting here. So, all right, we'll see you soon.
Sorry about that. All good. See you soon.
See you soon. What the bloody hell? What? But what is this?
It is. It's the Honda I was talking about.
This ain't no freaking Honda. This is a Lexus.
I'm not at the beach. This is a bathtub.
What do you mean? It's Japanese. It's made in Japan.
It's not even a GR Corolla. Like, at least that would have been all right.
Oh, but the thing is, it does have the GR Corolla engine in it, so
I can't argue with that.
yeah, it's the
Wow.
Morizo RR edition, apparently.
Morizo RR.
Yeah.
Looks like we're reviewing a Lexus LBX Morizo RR. You're manning this review, by the way.
Yes, I will be.
I don't want much part of this. Ew! Get me out of here.
So here we are in the Lexus LBX Morizo RR, the 2025 model, first of its kind. I didn't even know about it until a few months ago, and I was just really curious to see what it's like to drive a modern, sporty car of this era. I'm still, to be honest, a fan of my 90s Hondas. I would say Blake would also agree.
New cars still don't do it for me today. All the beeps and all the too many safety features and tech. I like simple things, and our older Hondas were simple, but do the job.
But what I do like about this car is that it does pack quite a bit of a punch. It makes a 206 kilowatts of power in a 1.6 litre 3-cylinder engine, the same as the GR Corolla, but Lexus likes to down-tune their engines, so the GR Corolla actually makes 221 kilowatts, so that's about 15 kilowatt difference. But if I was to just send it here,
It still throws you in your seat.
yeah, it's a good amount of power. You still feel that slight rawness, not 100% like a Honda, but it still kicks hard.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'd say in comparison to a GR Corolla, this is a very elegant version of it. Even Mr. Akita Toyota himself approves of this car as he basks in his mansion looking at it. But it's his chosen car.
Even though it still has the luxury features, compared to a standard LBX, it does have slightly stiffer bushings, a bit more response, as you would expect for a Morizo edition vehicle. Looks like with the smile on his face, it's so far so good.
I mean, if it makes me smile, I'm sure it can make anyone smile. Also the transmission, very good, very fast shifting. It's still like a typical torque converter transmission. Toyota's done something fancy with it. But it is an 8-speed.
Yeah. Essentially the same transmission as the GR Corolla again, just transferred into a Lexus body. And another fun fact, this is the first time that they released a automatic transmission for this engine variant. So hopefully that helps with the sport car market, because that has been slowly declining in my opinion.
So these do have really good brakes, 2-piece front rotors, good massive floor pots. Oh. And an all-wheel drive system to back it up with a front wheel bias. And this thing still doesn't joke around, even down tuned, man.
This ain't no joke.
Oh, that was wild.
That was a wild shift. And it has a nice little blow off sound as well. Not sure if you guys will hear it, but we'll try to include some.
Other than the better engine, better transmission from the GR lineup of Yaris and Corolla, this LBX also has nicer bumpers, front and rear, wider guards, bigger wheels. What are these two dudes in front of us?
Oh, some weird maneuvers.
Okay.
So if you want something that's not too aggressive and you want to convince the missus to get you a somewhat sporty but luxury car, this is the one. The GR Corolla might be too much in their faces, so this is like a little subtle option you can mention to your partner if you ever do want a modern compact sports car.
Yeah, and just driving around like slowly, the auto is very smooth. It's very easy to maneuver with.
Anywho, we'll let Blake have a quick spin in it, see how it feels in his hands, because in the passenger seat you don't get to be one with the car essentially.
Let's go. This cute little shifter. Handbrake goes off automatically.
Yeah, it's a neat feature. Also, another feature with the car as well, with a lot of modern cars, is that they have a sport mode. But not only does it have a sport mode, it has a all drive mode and the traction control
How do
off.
you go to manual?
You just shift down like that.
Ah.
And the funny thing is, when you do push traction control off, it turns on a expert light, which is pretty funny. So if I press it now, you see expert.
Oh, we're in expert mode.
So you have to be super professional to drive it. Just kidding. Just you can activate it whenever you want.
But yeah, driving it around, It's definitely doable as a daily. It'd be so nice as a daily. And when you have the power, you definitely have it on the ready.
Feels scary in the passenger seat.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's different. When you're in the passenger seat of this car, it feels it has more power than it really does. But man, like still, this car picks up speed pretty quickly. It's got a little nice blow off as well. It's very nice. The suspension's not harsh, like at all. But when you start getting onto like the limit of it, sort of, it does come in on its own. Got a bit of a windy section coming up. Oh man.
This thing just wants to jump. How's the brakes compared to the FD?
Oh, the FD's obviously much better. Oh. Man, if you were just find some windy roads in this thing is just too much fun. Comes out of corners so smoothly too.
Yeah,
At least on road.
for compact SUV, not bad. Not bad at all.
Is this class as an SUV?
Yeah, this is classed as an SUV.
No. I thought it'd be I don't know, a hatch.
Or yeah, it's like the Suzuki Ignis. How those are classed as an SUV.
What?
The more you know.
Well, you know.
In all honesty, if we're talking about space, I feel like my Jazz could probably fit more things in there than this thing.
Yeah, this thing is a bit tightly packed. The boot is especially fairly small, and it's also very high up. So, somewhat big items struggle a lot with this car.
But no, we're not here for that. We're just here for good old performance. Not really into that practicality, but just for the guys that do want to use this as a daily commuter or get around car.
Yeah, it's definitely doable as one. It drives very nice.
But yeah, there you have it. That's the LBX Morizo RR for you. Any final comments or final thoughts that you have on this thing?
Oh, I'm just enjoying our lovely country road drive here in our premium vehicle we have.
Yeah, honestly, yeah, it feels.
I'll go on a road trip in this
Yeah.
thing. It's nice. Even the seats are also nice. They are like somewhat bucket seats, but they're not overly stiff or anything. They got some nice plushiness to them.
Even in the back seats, they're really like squishy as well.
Yeah, there's not much leg room in the back seats as well. Like if even like at our height, we're not very tall people, but at our height, it gets a bit squishy back there. Something to consider if you've got a family or you always have a group of mates with you. This transmission is very nice.
Even though it's not a DCT or dual clutch transmission, it still shifts relatively fast.
It feels almost like one exactly.
That's all we have for today, folks. Hopefully you'll see us in the next one. Quick mention to our previous video for anyone who's watched that before. We appreciate you guys giving that a watch. It's our first proper video that we've done, and we would like to continue to deliver this kind of content and also increase our quality as well. So if you have any feedback, please feel free to write anything in the comments, and we'll definitely take note of that.
Yeah, definitely there's like a lot of nice comments in that first video. Gives us a lot of inspiration to keep on making more videos. Obviously, this is a bit of a random one with a Lexus. We tend to do more Honda stuff, purely Honda. But any other car that comes along, we sort of just tend to have it with a Honda twist. Woo!
see you guys in the next one. Nah, I don't think we're gonna put that in.
I'm gonna put it in.
Okay.